Hi friends, how are you all? Today I have brought you fresh mango cream cake. To make this mango cake, first take 3 eggs and separate the egg yolk. Then in a bowl, mix 45 gram of vegetable oil, 35 gram of milk, 35 grams of white flour, 7 gram of baking powder and 3 egg yolks. To make a batter, then take the egg white in another bowl and add 45 grams of sugar, 5 grams of baking soda and 6 drops of lemon juice. Then mix the hand grinder for 2 minutes and make a fluffy batter. Then mix the two batter together little by little until it's not too pressure. You can't make too much, this can cause the cake to break. Then pour the batter into a cake tin and shake a little. Then bake in the microwave for 45 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Ready, soft and fluffy spongy baked cake.